Hey folks, Darren Mooney with Community Toyota, transportation specialist, here today to give you a few reasons why the Camry is still the #1 selling car in America 14 years in a row. This one here is the Extra Sporty Edition, or the XSE. It's shown in hypersonic red with a black panoramic roof. The Camry has a bold, daring, athletic stance to it, all new redesign from the ground up. The XSE comes with a piano black, high gloss, honeycomb shaped front grille, with LED low beam and high beam with LED daytime running strip lights in the front. Every Camry comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense with a wave radar gun in the front and a forward-facing camera. Gives you pre-collision with pedestrian detection, lane departure with steering assist, dynamic full-speed radar cruise control, and automatic high beam. It's got a 2-inch longer wheelbase, it's got a wider track and a lower roof line, which gives it a lower drag coefficient. So you can achieve over 39 miles per gallon on the highway on the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder with over 200 horsepower. And the 3.5 liter V6 in this one gives you 306 horsepower and still getting 32 miles per gallon. That's coupled with an 8-speed direct shift transmission. From the side, really aggressive styling lines, 19-inch black twisted spoke alloy wheels really make it stand out. Soft text leather heated seats, passenger and driver's side power seats, leather wrapped steering wheel and shift knob with paddle shifters with sequential shift. You have a 7-inch multi-function cluster on the front display, and everything comes to life with the high resolution 8-inch touchscreen multimedia screen with the JBL dynamic navigation system. The JBL system has 9 speakers in 8 locations with an 800-watt amplifier. 2 inches more legroom in the rear versus the last generation Camry. You have 10 standard airbags. So Camry is also #1 rated from the Insurance Institute. Notice on the back you have the color keyed rear spoiler on the XSE trim with the black badging and the dual quad tip exhaust. Give it a really sporty feel. The 20 Camry now comes standard with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. You can even start your phone from the host of connected services that come with the Camry. You start it from your phone or your smartwatch, or from the key fob itself. Also comes with 10 years of Service Connect, 2 years of Toyota Care, 2 years of free maintenance on any vehicle, and you can even schedule your free service from the app. So we always have really great incentives on the Camry. Come see me today, Darren, at Community Toyota, where everything we do is centered around you.